Yan. Tapos, maglinis-linis ka ng iyong bathroom ay gagamitan mo lang. Pwede din. Pwede. 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 Yan. Heaven forbid we lost some of our gifts.
Yeah, the other one is the one that goes on the outside.
Smells good in here.
Is it the top?
This one should be in the inside,
You mean nearest the
towards
window?
the wall.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what the decorative one goes on the outside. Which they don't put in because that's why they don't put it in, because they don't want to,
But
in
you
case.
should have like,
Well, this doesn't have a design. This back one is just like a functional only. I mean, they could have included a decorative
Yeah.
one, but then I think they wanted to give you more freedom to pick what you wanted.
okay, and then we can.
Okay, pick it up. Pick it up. Oh. Doesn't have to be here. You just hang up this. Thank you. Can you do that, Dylan? No, you can't reach over. Thank you. Hold it. You hold these. Can't imagine this. That's right. I'll just. Oh, for all viewers, I don't want to do it for all viewers.
You're just too overly
I know,
self-conscious.
because I don't even
No
know.
need.
What's that guy thinking? I can't tell. I can't see anything. It's in the way. Where is it? I can't see it.
You just,
Oh, good. That's too. Oh my goodness. It's,
probably need to put an arch in the middle.
it's not terribly. Well, it can come in a little bit. This one's not really meant to. You can. Oh, come on. It's supposed to go. You get a marker there. What I'll do is we can do that tomorrow. I can. Yeah. So we can. That's what
So
that
there's one for the center then.
Mhm.
I can do it, but I need a ladder.
It's all right. We'll do it tomorrow. It's okay.
Okay, can we just at least close the... Can you go out and see if we are...
Oh man, it's not long enough.
It's okay because we have another one. It's okay.
It's too long on the floor.
It's okay. And can you put up this one? Our house.
Do what now? What am I doing?
Put our house decor.
Our house decor. What do you mean your house decor?
The wall decor.
What wall decor?
This one. Hang it up.
But I need. So I hope we can put that one up tomorrow then. This I need to go to.
Okay, let's open our gifts.
But I'm putting this up now. Oh, you put it up last time. I don't know about this. I don't know about this one at all. Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me?
That's fine.
Where are you gonna put your center?
Center there, but I will move up that as for me tomorrow. But for now, just let it sit as is. Okay, I'm gonna videotape ourselves now. Can you sit down?
Yeah.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And there's my husband. Merry Christmas. Hello. Yan. Ay kulang pa ang aming yung spare parts namin kaya hindi ma-continue ang aming curtain installation.
Yeah, installation.
So hindi makompleto yung aming curtain installation kasi kulang kami ng hardware at saka kulang kami ng pole. So, meron pa kaming dapat dyan na bandang dyan is may dalawang sets of curtains. Tapos, wala nga kaming pole, kulang yung ano namin, cheche-bureche namin. So, yan lang muna, at least covered kami from the outside. So, kumusta po kayo? It's been a few days after the New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. And dahil na busy ang inyong mga lolo at mga lola, heto, ngayon pa lang po kami maka-open ng aming gifts. But guys, hindi ko alam kung saan na yung ibang gifts namin. Binigyan kami ng parents-in-law ko ng gifts na may cash. Hindi ko makita. Tapos may gift din sa akin si Cory. Hindi ko rin makita. I hope and I pray. Mahal pa naman yun. I hope and I pray na nandun lang sa bahay. But anyway, kasi dinala ko lahat ng mga presents namin dito. Or so I thought. Kala ko nadala lahat namin ng gifts namin dito. Hindi ko nadala. But first, nauuhaw ko. Inom muna ako ng tubig. So, inom tayo. Don't forget to drink water when you can. So, yun. Parang nasasad ako. At the same time, kinakabahan ako ba na baka naiwan doon sa bahay or kasi labas-pasok yung mga tao dito, yung mga contractors namin. May mga contractors na hindi namin kilala na pumasok dito. Tapos, my gifts have been sitting there for several days already. Tapos, yung latest na pumunta dito was earlier. earlier today, tapos walang tao. Iniwan lang namin yung aming key. Ano bang key sa Tagalog? Yung aming susi ng bahay para sila makapasok tapos walang tao dito. So, I hope hindi sila nagsa-shopping dito sa loob. Oh my goodness. This is going to be fun if we lost some of our gifts. But inom muna tayo. So what we're going to do now is we will open some of our gifts, tapos yung iba na hindi namin makita open na lang namin next time pag makita na namin. So enjoy! So mamaya na lang namin ipakita ang kabuuan ng aming front room. I'm sure na po curious kayo kung ano nang itsura ng aming front room. Although from time to time napi-feature siya sa ibang mga videos ko. But mag-open muna kami ng gifts and hopefully, prayerfully, oh my gosh, I hope that we have
What?
our gifts. I couldn't believe it that if we are losing some. But anyway, so ito na po yung mga gifts namin. This one is for Cory. This is from parents. Galing sa aming in-laws. Open your gifts.
Yeah, I wonder
okay.
what these are.
Yeah? Ooh, I
Did
can
you
use
tell
this
them
one. This is house socks.
Wow. Where did that come from?
That's from parents.
Yeah.
Yeah, house socks.
Are you sure? I thought we got this.
Baka dito niya linagay yung
I think
cash.
we got this, huh?
Huh? No, that's from them.
What?
Yeah.
You sure? I don't remember.
Oh my gosh, we better.
Yeah, those are.
Okay, yung socks, Christmas socks, is that it?
Well, they're like slippers. Slippers and socks. Come on.
Alright. This one is my gift for you. Oh. You open it.
Your gift for me.
Yeah.
What? See, that looks it goes well with the. See, that looks like.
Can you show
one
it
we
to
used
them?
have. Oh, can you see that?
No, you show it forward.
Oh.
Yeah, and what is that?
It's for a bathroom. It's a what do you call it?
Bathroom cleaner.
Yeah,
Na pusa.
that's just like the one we had a long time ago.
Long time ago, yeah. So, that's for the bathroom.
Yeah, let's get it out of here. Let's use it right now.
Okay, next, come back. Yeah, you can put it there.
So we'll put it in the bathroom because it needs to go in there.
Okay.
Oh man. See, it's a brush and then it just sits.
Yan. Tapos, maglinis-linis ka ng iyong bathroom ay gagamitan mo lang. Pwede din. Pwede. Yan. Ito po yung gift ko sa kanya for our housewarming. We can just lay it down there.
That was one of them.
Do you like the color though? Kasi yung ganyan
Yeah,
namin
it does.
before sa aming bahay, lumang bahay. Now we call our Springdale house an old house. This was a new house. Isn't God amazing? So thank you Lord God, natupad na yung pangarap namin. So,
And then
and then how about that? And then this is my husband's gift for me that you got from yesterday, right? Oh, it's heavy.
that I got from yesterday.
To Marilyn with love from Cory. Oh, we need to. Good. Ta-ding! It is a karaoke Bluetooth speaker. So, pag may party kami dito ay, pasensya na may tag pa yung ano ko.
Yeah, you put an app on the phone.
You put an app on the phone and then you can sing, Happy birthday to you.
I
What,
know that
what,
one.
woo!
Heidi always has
Yes.
a phone, so
Yes, is this the same as Heidi's?
I don't.
Oh, Heidi, comment ka nga. I know you're always watching. Is this the same as yours? But it's like, I
It's a
think
little
this is
smaller.
smaller
Yeah.
compared to yours. But I think, this is good for a party. Kasi nung nag-party kami, kawawa yung mga friends ko kasi nabuboard sila dahil wala kami entertainment dito. Wala pa kaming TV kasi all of our televisions are still in the other house. So, this would, next party, God willing, that would entertain everybody. So, I'm happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ta-da! Hi! Finally, natapos na ng aming railings. Woot, 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 woot! So, ito na. Tapos na siya. Kailangan na lang ng kaunti dito, but that can be done later. So, ito na po yung kabuuan. Almost 99% kabuuan ng aming railing. Tapos, ipapasok ko dito or ibabalik ko dito itong aming, what do you call this one, table here. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Board. It's heavy.
Huh? What did you say?
I need to move back the table.
I'm back. Oh boy, my bad. You can see through that pretty easily.
Huh?
You can see through that easily.
Yeah, I know.
You need to lift it up. And then we'll go soon, okay? 'Cause
Okay.
that back's starting to hurt again. Lifting too much again. You're just gonna do it temporarily, it's gonna move anyway.
Why would it be
Because you
moved?
gotta finish that.
Okay.
Plus, it's in the way of our. It's in the way.
In the way,
I don't like it.
I like it.
It looks weird.
No, it's not.
I think it looks like what the 10-year-old did last night or yesterday.
Uh-uh.
What the 10-year-old does on their school project. It looks like. But we're not finished yet with this.
Huh?
We're not complete yet with all this.
I know. So I'm gonna remove all our Christmas decors probably a day after tomorrow or next week. And change our decorations from Christmas to spring. No, winter pa naman ngayon. So it's still going to be the same. Pero wala nang Christmas. Diyan ka na lang muna siguro. Yan. What you think, huh? Naku, ang dami na dapat linisin. So, ito po yun guys, yung couch na nabili namin. Some days ago from IKEA. Nagustuhan ko ito because of the color. Tapos, alam niyo naman, mahilig ako sa mga yung mga flashy. Tapos, doon sa IKEA, nung tinesting namin yung display nila, it was so soft guys, ang soft talaga. So sabi ko, I like this one. Tapos, on sale power, mura pa siya. Nako. Nang dumating na dito sa bahay, my gosh, ang tigas-tigas. Sabi ko, anong nangyari? Parang nabudol ata tayo. Bakit? Napaka-soft nung doon sa tindahan. Tapos dito, hindi naman pala, bago. Tapos sabi ni Corey, siguro because ito sa display. So, yun, palagi na lang inuupuan ng mga tao. So, that's why, parang naging softened siya. Tapos sabi ko, feeling ko talaga nabudol tayo kasi yung napaka-lambot ng Ito, i-save natin ito for next year kasi hindi ko siya masyadong But anyway, so yun, nasad ako, sabi ko, ayoko ng ganito. Tapos, isatabi ko lang itong mga chichiburichi dito. Ay. So yan. Tapos, yun, parang nagmahay-mahay ako ba? Ano ba yung mga, parang nag-regret ako, ay, ano naman pala ito? Napakatigas naman pala nito. Nako, sana hindi na naman ito binili. Kaso lang, nabili na. Tapos, parang gusto ko siya. I like the design. Kasi gusto ko kasi sectional. Sectional siya kung makikita niyo. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, oh. Tadang! So, paano ba yan? Yan. Sectional siya. Kaya lang, kailangan ay urong muna. Kung I am going to push this a little bit. Ang payod, ang payod. So, kailangan siyang iurong ng konti para intimate naman ang ating sitwasyon dito. And then, sabi ko kay Cory, syempre, napakatigas. Ay, hindi naman siya matigas. Ate naman itong kapiterang ito. Ay, guys, before I forget, natutuwa ako kasi parang nang hinambog ako, guys. Parang ang gara-gara ko talaga na sinabi ko na 4 million more or less yung over over budget sa bahay namin ito. Before ako makakalimot, itatakaw ko muna yan. Totoo naman talaga, guys. Hindi sa paghinambog, kasi malaki siya kasi syempre, kinonvert ko na sa dollars. So, from dollars to pesos, so parang, ang laki-laki. Pero guys, dito sa Amerika, yeah, malaki din siya, pero hindi lang million-million na katulad sa atin dyan. Oh my gosh, millions na tarantag ka talaga. Siguro napakayaman nyo. Yeah, napakayaman talaga namin, guys, ng utang. Nakautang kami sa bank account ng asawa ko. Saving sana niya. Iyon para sa kanyang retirement. Yun, yung budget ko hindi kasya. Half lang pala sa yung budget ko. Half lang pala doon sa cost ng namin dito. So, yun. Which, it is really true. Pero, hindi po ako naghinambog. Baka sabihin yung hambog, totoo naman joke. Totoo naman joke. Ganun talaga, guys, pag ka ng bahay dito, you make sure na alam mo yung budget mo. Otherwise, hindi matatapos. Buti na lang ay may savings si Cory na kanyang nauutangan. Pero yun, wala siyang savings ngayon. Half na lang yung natira. So, what can we do? But anyway, yun yung sitwasyon. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo kasi gusto ko lang joke. Kasi parang ayoko ng parang hambog ba? Pero minsan hambog talaga ako, guys. I try to make hambog of the Lord's faithfulness in my life on how He provided us with what our needs. So, salamat Lord, at salamat sa talaga, more than anything, more than the utang from my husband's account, thankful pa rin ako. Thankful pa rin kami kasi at least nagkaroon kami ng medyo maliit lang na ang bahay na ito compared doon sa aming kabilang bahay as far as the main floor is concerned kasi medyo malaki yung main floor doon kaysa dito. But medyo malaki yan itong kaunti kasi may basement. So may mga spaces para sa aming pusa. Ano ba yan sa carpentry? Kahit ano na lang pinagsasabi. But anyway, yun lang before ko makalimutan. Tapos ito, guys, napaka-soft. I can just lie in there for 2 days without waking up, Joe. So ito yung ating accent pillows. Ito ay para sa dyan. Ito ay kumot na ilalagay natin sa ating basket later. Kasi this is very important pag may TV na kami dyan. O di magkumot-kumot na lang kami while watching TV, di ba? So thank you so much, Joanne, for this. Yan. Tapos ito din. Yan. Yan, accent yan, mga accent. Tapos, ito na lang, dyan. Para sa aming accent chairs, yan. Tapos, ito, para sa aming accent chair doon sa kabila. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay. So, at least, tapos na itong banda dito. Next is yung banda naman dito. Alright. So, nakita nyo, hindi pa yan kumpleto. In the front of those shears ay lalagyan namin bukas ng kapilan man lang ko nagbalik-balik. Oy, pabalik-balik na yung sinasabi ko. Just try to imagine in front of that is this two in between. I mean, on each side. Over there and over here, there. Yan. So, ito. So, ilalagay ko lang ito dito. Tapos, itong napakagara kong habol kumot. Thank you so much, Heidi. So, this is for Cory. Grabe talaga yung mga friends ko, no? But if Cory, alam nila kung anong need namin ng mag-asawa. Kailangan talaga namin ito. So, ipo-fold ko lang ito. Tapos, ilagay ko doon sa alam niyo guys, may may kaban ako na antique ba? Doon ko ilagay. Yung antique kong kaban. Tapos, I will put it somewhere in here. Yan. Siguro pag, yung Christmas tree ko ay ma-dismantle na, yun, doon ko ilagay. Ito, kailangan kong bumili ng ganitong na mataas. Kasi, Hindi kasya eh. That one, I will use it for the bedroom door na makita mo na napaka-see-through doon sa aming kapitbahay. Kasi, ang dami kasi ano dito sa amin. Yung mga doors namin at saka yung mga windows, mga ganun ba? Mga, picture windows. So, yun, napaka-see-through kami. Yan. Tapos, yung ibang windows, by the way, ay, yung ibang windows ay pinalagyan namin ng tint. Tapos, except for this one, kasi ito lang guys, the price for this one is almost 30,000. Tint lang ha, tint lang. So, sabi ko, wag na yan i-tint kasi lalagyan lang namin ng window treatment dyan. Window treatment here in America means curtains, okay? So, yung iba na lang mga windows na hindi pwedeng lagyan ng cortina, doon ko na lang pinalagyan ng tint. But anyway, so ito is, dito lang talaga ito. Tapos, itong accent share, kita nyo ba? Yung accent share ko, dyan. Tapos, itong ating pillow, ang dami namang ang daming mga alikabok or whatever this is. Kasi nalagay ito sa sahig doon. Kaya, pinulot niya lahat ng mga, ay nako. So, ito is accent pillow. Nilagay natin dyan. O, diba? Hallelujah. Tapos, ito din, lagay natin dito. Yan. And then, syempre, may extra pa tayong pillows ating ilagay dito. Yan. Okay? So, yung isang pillow na ganito, may last ako, doon sa kabilang ganito. Yung isang ganito na chair, ay ilalagay ko mamaya or later, pag matanggal na itong Christmas tree, dyan, para balance sila. Yan. Okay? So far, I think, okay na ba siya? Yan. Yan yung aming front room situation. Yan na ang aming tapos yan. Ay, kailangan pang maglinis at ang dami pang dapat gagawin. Tatanggalin pa yung mga Christmas decors. Tapos, dami pa talagang dapat gagawin. But ito na, and as useless, yung aming sahig ay hindi pa rin nalinisan kasi wala kaming mop dito sa bahay. But ito na. I cannot wait until the window fixture on that area is done. What's going on?
She's coming in for the winter now.
Yeah, we have to like make a designated place for that.
Yeah. I don't know if it's filling up fast.
Yeah, ang mga tiche ko ay yun, napuno na daw yung basement namin. It's just a matter of putting them, rearranging them, and organizing them. Parang hindi talaga ako mapakali dahil hindi natapos ang dyan na aming cortina. Kailangan tapusin yan. And because of that, I don't know which one is which is mine, of course, but it doesn't matter. Ang importante inom tayo ng tubig. At ating ibubuhos ito sa ating tanim. Dami pang mga guys. What do you call this one? Dami pang garbage dito. Dami pang garbages na kailangan i-dispatcha. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung lipstick na nabili ko na mulumurahin lang. Pero, ang ganda ng niya. Ito. Tadang! What is this called? I don't know. Manakadar. So, that's probably the owner or manufacturer name of the owner of the brand. So, meron siyang may pagka-pink. Tapos, meron siyang may pagka-mauve. Mauve yung color niya. And ito parang may pagka-flesh. So, yan. Mura lang ito, guys. Kaya, sana hindi masira ang ating lips nito. My gosh, but the good thing about this is you can apply it on your lips and also on your cheeks. So, para balance ba?